Hi everyone, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. So today I have here our Cam's Toy Box vending machine, and it is just packed with Series 3 blind bags. There's a bunch of new trolls you can collect in this series. There's Cooper, they have a new Smidge, which is really cool. There's Biggie, there's a new glitter troll, look at him, he's awesome. We have a new Branch, a new Poppy. I have a bunch of coins here, and I'm super excited to get started and see which ones we get. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all set up. I have my coins ready to go, but real quick, I just wanted to show you something I picked up today. This is my all new Smidge slap bracelet. I think Smidge is probably my favorite character in this new series, so when I saw this, I just had to pick it up so I could wear it. So this is a slap bracelet, and look, it looks like really hard and everything, but what you do is you put it near your wrist and you slap it, and it bends onto your wrist. How cool is that? I just love this. All right, let's get started. All right, so I have a couple of coins here. And let's see what we get. So here's the Series 3 blind bag. Just grab my scissor. There we go. And here is the flyer for Series 3. You see right there, it says Series 3. And here are all the different trolls you can collect. There's Biggie. There's a Fuzzbert looking one. Here's Branch and Cooper. There are actually 2 new glitter trolls. They're really, really cool. Wait till you see them. And here's some new ones on the back. There's a new Poppy. There's Smidge. And then there's some other trolls from the movie that I don't know their names, but they're really awesome too. All right, so let's see who we got in our first blind bag. Oh my gosh, we got Smidge, how about that? That is a score, I'm so excited. Oh, look how cute she is. She is super tiny, huh? She is definitely the smallest of all my trolls. Look at that. Smidge meets Smidge. Aw, that's awesome. What a great way to start. Let's see if I can get her to stand up. She's very, very top heavy. There we go. Okay, and 2 more coins to put in our machine here. Oh, we got Poppy. That's awesome. Oh, look how pretty she looks. She got this new dress on with a pretty pink heart. Aww. Yay. This is a really, really good start. Smidge and Poppy. And 2 more coins. Oh, that one got away from me. Look, now here's one of the new glitter trolls. How cool is that? Look how pretty and how shiny. I just love this like bright neon green color. Aww. He is just so cool. The orange one is really, really cool too. When you put them together, they just look so shiny. Oh my gosh, I'm getting such good ones today. This is great. I like this machine. You just never know which one you're gonna get. Let's see. Oh, this is a good one. They're all good. Who am I kidding, right? I love all the trolls. Now this one, I don't know her name. She's just another troll who lives in Troll Village. She's got her hand on her hip. She looks a little sassy. Very, very pretty. And we got another one. This is great. I usually get a lot of doubles, and I'm not getting any so far today. So this is another one. I do not know this troll's name, but he looks super happy. Very cool. I like his hot pink hair. Two more coins. Who's it gonna be? Oh, another poppy. That's okay. I got my first double of the day, and look at her hair. She's looking pretty crazy. Let's fix you up, Poppy. Make you look all pretty. There we go. That's a little bit better, right? Okay, so I'm all out of coins for today, but I think we had a really, really good opening. I would say my favorite for today is probably Smidge. I definitely love that green glitter troll, but I really have to go with Smidge. In the comments section, let me know which one was your favorite. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more toys and surprises every day. I'll see you soon. Bye.